Hello my friends, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Please stick around and let's get started. Today's blog is about the beautiful Karanji Lake of Mysore. In Kannada, lake is called Kere. Karanji Lake is a 90-acre nature park and bird sanctuary in Mysore. It is managed by the Mysore Zoo and it is India's largest walk-through aviary. There used to be a butterfly park which is closed now. There are boating facilities too. You can book your tickets on your own from kiosk or you can book your tickets from the counter. The entry fee for adult is Rs 60 and for children aged between 5 to 12 years it's Rs 30. And below 5 years the kids entry is free. The lake is open daily from 8:30 am to 4 pm except on Tuesdays. The parking fee is applicable according to the type of vehicles. Karanji Lake was built in the 1860s by the Maharaja of Mysore as a percolation tank to supply water for daily needs, irrigation and for the usage of Royal Palace complex. The greenery, the mesmerizing view, the dancing trees, the cold breeze makes the lake a truly heaven on earth. The boating charge is Rs 50 for adults and Rs 30 for children. A piece of information: if you are a solo traveler and no one is there for boating other than you, then they won't allow. Minimum 2% is required for boating. The fee for carrying still cameras is Rs 118 and for video cameras the price is Rs 236. The aviary constructed on the shore of the lake has a height of 20 meter, length of 60 meter and width of 40 meter, making it as India's biggest walk-through aviary. The aviary was set up at a cost of 3.8 million. It has 40 to 50 birds of 17 species, namely hornbills, peacocks, white peacocks, turkeys and black swans are some of the birds found in this aviary. This peacock turned me into a poet. With feathers wide and eyes so bright, he spins and turns in pure delight. A flashing king upon the grass, he strikes a pose for all who pass. Seeing the captivating view, a poem came in my mind. It is written by Joy Harjo. Remember the sky that you were born under, know each of the star stories. Remember the moon, know who she is. Remember the sun's birth at dawn, that is the strongest point of time. Remember sundown and the giving away tonight. Remember your birth, how your mother struggled to give you form and breath. You were evidence of her life and her mother's and hers. Remember your father, he is your life also. Remember the earth whose skin you are. Red earth, black earth, yellow earth, white earth, brown earth, we are earth. Remember the plants, trees, animal life who all have their tribes, their families, their histories too. Talk to them, listen to them, they are alive poems. A bird watchtower was also constructed to view birds and study their behavior. A giant fountain which can spew water up to 40 feet has been recently added. Wow, what a blissful place to soothe your mind. There is a museum, the Regional Museum of Natural History, on the banks of the lake. The water spread area is about 55 hectares and the foreshore area is about 35 hectares. Per day, the Mysore Zoo gets a revenue of an average of Rs 50,000 from ticket sales to enthusiasts who visits this lake. What a gigantic cactus! A nursery medicinal plants are also present in the Karanji Lake. The trees are huge, mighty, and old, isn't it? Karanji Lake started getting polluted and the migratory birds started avoiding the lake. In order to prevent the destruction and to renovate it, help was sought from the Asian Development Bank, Karnataka Urban Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation and Zoo Authority of Karnataka. These three organizations came together and undertook the restoration of this lake. The first step undertaken was to stop the sewage from entering the lake. Other restoration activities include removal of polluted silt, de-weeding of the entire lake, removing 30 cm of silt from the lake, restoration of feeder channels, construction of jetty to start boating facility. Kahil Gibran was so true to say, trees are the poems that the earth writes upon the sky. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel. Meet you all very soon in my next blog. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.